These frames bring the small to medium-sized shops or even larger shops that have just avoided this type of product in the past, brings them to market, makes them competitive, and there's a couple different reasons why these SEG frames and some of the components with them do that for you. First of all, there's really no assembly or special equipment involved. So I have our corner connector and a sample of the side rail, and they are simply just pressure fit together. So it's very quick, very simple. The other fun thing is they're eco-friendly. So they are a non-PVC recyclable polymer and extremely lightweight. The other neat component, as the fabric goes around, flip that over and look at the ketter on the side. So anytime an SEG frame, it's where they get their name, is the silicone ketter that's traditionally sewn into the fabric. So it's on the back side here. The ketter tape, which was Banner-Up's Product of the Year for SGIA in 2017, has a self-adhesive backing on it. So now one of the biggest barriers to entry with having this sewing equipment that you'd have to sew into the ketter into the fabric. This now is just an easy peel the backer away, stick it to the fabric, and now you're in business after just a little bit of trimming from after the fabric was printed. Individual rail sizes range from 15-inch, 21-inch, 33 inches, 45 inches, and 93 inches. What I like about this is you can certainly stock all those different sizes or order them directly from JDS Sign Supply, or you can order just one, let's say the 93-inch, and you can then cut them very easily on just your standard miter saw. So you have one part number, very limited amount of inventory, and you can make and cut and add together these pieces for just a variety of different sizes. So you can meet larger grand format type signs or something as small as an 18 by 24. One of the really neat things about these signs, so the pieces that are going around are the natural colors. So this light gray, which looks very similar from a few feet away as a standard satin aluminum extruded standard SEG sign. The color is very friendly to painting in multiple different types of colors, whether it's a light white or yellow or a blue or green or something like that. So they're paintable with any sort of spray paint that is designed to adhere to a plastic. So Krylon Fusion has 28 colors in that family of paintable product, and works great with these sign frames. And really any plastic or paint that adheres to plastic would work. So now you have full color SEG sign frames versus the standard satin aluminum look.